Hey guys, it's Chris Fix. Today I want to show you how to do a head gasket test with this head gasket tester. It's a cheap one, you can find it on eBay, Amazon. About, I don't know, 10 pounds. So we have here a Nissan Juke and it's pressurizing. I want to show you how to do a head gasket test. So this is the bottle. You have to put some solution, which is this one, this blue color. I'll try to hold my phone and I will show you. You have to put the solution inside. Something like this. So this is the solution. Put it inside the bottle, and if you notice it's bubbling here, and this solution is gonna change the color to a green to yellow, something like this. You can see mine is bubbling. So there is a head gasket issue. Keep my phone here till the color gonna changing, because this solution, when it's in contact with the gases, it's changing the color. What this means in the cooling system, we have some gases, so that's why it's pressurizing. The bubbles. And I will keep it like this just to show you how it's changing the color. Takes about 2-3 minutes. I will make another video with another car doesn't have a head gasket problem, and I will show you the color will be the same and it's not bubbling. It's a good way to start when you have symptoms or like engine overheating, pressurizing, losing coolant. You can find a test like this, a tester like this, and you can see if you have any issues with the head gasket. You can see the bubbles. beginning, so this means the head gasket is just a bit affected because we don't have too much bubbles, but still there is an issue with it, and soon will be more than that. And I'm gonna try to use the temporary solution. I'm gonna try to fill some steel seal, which sometimes has a good results. And this car had the head gasket done 1 year ago. I think it was in November, and the mechanic done the head gasket, but sometimes you have to, after 500 miles, you have to tighten the bolts again on the head cylinder. So the car, it was driving about 1000 miles after the head gasket was done, and when I opened the top cover of the engine here, the bolts was loosened. I tightened it so with the special tool, and now just I'm checking what's gonna happen. It's still gonna be problems. I have to start to do the head gasket work. It is not easy on this engine, to be honest with you. You can see it's still bubbling. The color is changing a bit. It's going in the green now. Sometimes if you rev the engine in about 2 minutes, you can see much faster, and more bubbles, and the color is changing much faster. So this tester is good. Can help you a lot. You can see the color is changing. So this means the head gasket have an issue. Now, because it's not too much, I'm going to try that solution for head gasket, the steel seal, which is good enough. Sometimes you can fix the problem. If it's not too bad, you can fix the problem permanently, or I'm gonna make a video with, I'm gonna test it again after I will put that solution in the coolant. I need to run the car a bit. So that's it, guys. You can see the color is changing. So this was the color, it's like this. Now you can see it is like this. We will try this. Thanks for watching, guys.